In this video I'm going to show you just a quick couple of things that I've been working in my workshop this week. Firstly, I've been working on this lithium-ion battery. I'm just cutting some holes in it because I've added some external battery prongs that allow me to charge it without the charging circuit. This is useful because I don't have the Ryobi charger that is standard with it, and so it means I can charge it myself using whatever charging method I want. That's a little bit less safe. But I can still use their discharging circuit, so I could use it with another drill, or I could use it with whatever project I wanted to use it with. So as you can see, I've put a screw into about each of the battery terminals, and now I'm attaching the case back together with the original screws. This can be really useful, and in this case I haven't made the screws low enough profile that you could still use this with a Ryobi drill, but if you wanted to, you could easily put smaller screws in that would allow you to still use that battery with a standard Ryobi drill. And the next project I'm doing this week is I've been trying to restore this car battery, and one of the methods that I've been trying is charging and discharging through a short. So every car battery tells you not to directly short the car battery. There's a good reason for that. It's because it can really damage the battery. However, in this case, I'm hoping to use that damage to break through one of the shorts in the cells. So I'm using a flashlight to determine whether the cells are bubbling inside. And if you see bubbles inside, generally that's a good sign that that cell is charging, and probably charging at a significant rate. So what I'll do now is, now that I've charged up the battery, I'll short it with this alligator clamp. And I see some little sparks, but nothing too significant. I'll check the battery power again, the voltage, and short it down to about 3 volts before I then charge it back up to 13 with the battery charger. Continuously checking, and I'll charge it up again. And I'll do this cycle several times until I can determine which of the cells has the short in it, and also hopefully to determine whether I've solved the short. So now I've taken it outside because you really shouldn't charge batteries inside. I have good ventilation, but really you should take them outside. I've got the same setup out here. In the end, I wasn't able to restore the battery using this method. I want to try adding some more stronger sulfuric acid in the future, but until then this battery will have to remain just a useful weight that I use in my basement for clamping things together. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.